Hi children, this is for LKG children. Today we are going to learn comparison. Already we learned about comparison. In the comparison we have discussed about two topics. First one same and second one different. First one same and second one different. Today we are going to learn about some more topics. Let's see. Today's topic is big and small. What is this? Big. B-I-Z. Big. What is this? B-I-Z. Big. And A-N-D. And. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Say once again. Big and small. Big and small. Say spelling. B-I-Z. Big. B-I-Z. Big. And small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Big, small. Say big, small. Let's see the difference about big and small. See, who is she? Who is she? She is Sanjana. Who is she? Sanjana. Say spelling. S-A-N-J-A-N-A. S-A-N-J-A-N-A. Who is she? Sanjana. S-A-N-J-A-N-A. And she, who is she? She is Harini. H-A-R-I-N-I. H-A-R-I-N-I. Harini. Sanjana and Harini. See, Sanjana and Harini are eating mangoes. Sanjana and Harini are eating mangoes. See their hand. See in their hand which fruit is this? Mango. In summer they are eating mangoes. See, they have mangoes in his hands. Sanjana has a big mango. What is the difference? She has big mango and Harini has a small mango. See, this one is big and this one is small. See, which one is big and which one is small? You can identify which one is small. This one is small. See, and this one is small. Yes, it is small. This one is big. It occupies more space. This mango occupies less space. See, okay, this is the difference. This one is big and this one is small. This is the big and this one is small. See, big, small. Okay, have you understand? Have you understood? This one is big and this one is small. Okay, let's see some more objects. See, tick the big objects and cross the small objects. Tick the big objects and cross the small objects. Let's see. Here some pictures is there. See the first picture. What is this? What is this? This is a tiger. Yes, this is a tiger. And what is this? This is a cat. Small cat. This one is tiger and this one is a cat. Okay. In this picture, which animal is big? This one or this one? And which one is small? See the difference which is big animal and which is small animal. Yes, this one is a big animal. Tiger is a big animal. Small cat is a small animal. So we have to keep big for a tick for big animal, cross for small animal. See the second picture. What is this? This is a ball and this one is also ball. Those are balls. This one is a football and this one is a normal ball. See, which one is big and which one is small? Which one is big? This one is big? No, this one is big one. Okay. So this is a small object. So we write cross. This one is big ball, so we have to write tick. See, see, two chairs is there here. Two chairs is here. Which one is big? Which one is small? Okay, this is a small chair and this is a big chair. So we have to cross this one and we have to tick this one. Next, see, two vehicles is there. First one is bus. Second one is a small van. So this is a bus and this is a small van. For big one, which one we write? Cross or write tick? Yes, tick. For small one, we have to write cross. Once again, I will repeat. Big, small. This is the difference. Big one is this one is big and this one is small. In this picture also, this one is big and this one is small. In this picture, this one is small and this one is big. This one is small and this one is big. This one is big and this one is small. Okay, have you understood what is the difference between big and small? Okay. So let's see the another topic. Tall and short. Tall and short. I will show one thing. How it is? It is small. How it is? Sorry, it is tall and this one is short. Okay. This one is long and this one is short. Long, short. Okay. Long. This one is long. Sorry, tall, short. This one is tall and this one is short. Have you understood? Okay, let's see the topic. Who is she? She is Sanjana. Who is she? Sanjana. Who is she? Harini. Okay. See the spelling. Tall. T-A-L-L. T-A-L-L. Tall. A-N-D. And. S-H-O-R-T. Short. T-A-L-L. Tall. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Tall. Short. Sanjana is a tall. Sanjana is tall. She is tall. She can reach the switchboard. She is tall, so she can reach the switchboard easily. Next, see Harini. Harini is short. She cannot reach the switchboard. She is short, so that's why she cannot reach the switchboard. See, it is very near to her. It is little bit far to her. Have you understood what is tall, what is short? This one is tall. Length is very high. This is tall. This length is very short. So this is called short. Okay. Let's see the pictures. Tick the tall objects and cross the short objects. Tick the tall objects and cross the short objects. See, in this picture, two trees is here. Which one is tall and which one is short? This is a short tree. So, we have to write cross. And this is a tall tree. See the difference? This one is very tall and this one is very short. So, we have to write tick. Okay. See, two boys is here. Which boy is very high, very tall? Which boy is short? This boy is short. This boy is tall. Okay. So we have to write tick for this boy because she is a tall person. He is a tall person. See this boy. This boy is short. So we have to write cross. Okay. See. See, this is a house. This is a short house. See the length. This one is very high. It is very tall and this is very short. Apartment. This is a apartment. This is a house. Apartments are very tall. Normal houses are short. Okay, so we have to write for short things we have to write cross. For tall things we have to write tick. Right. Okay. See. two ladders is here. Two ladders. Which one is tall and which one is short? Okay, this one is tall. So we have to write T. This one is short. So we have to write cross. Okay, have you understood what is tall and what is short? Once again, see the differences. In this picture, which one is big and which one is small? Have you identified? Yes, this one is small and this one is big. In this picture, this one is big and this one is small. Okay. In this picture, which one is tall, which one is short? Yes, this one is tall. In this picture, this one. In this picture, this boy. In this picture, this is a tall ladder. Remaining, this one is short, this one also short, this boy also short, this ladder also short. So, in this way, you have to practice some more objects. Do practice with some more objects. Which one is tall and which one is short, which one is big and which one is small. Okay? Do practice with some more objects. Thank you.